today's episode of Quarantine Kitchen. Today we're going to carry on with some Italian delicacies from the south of Italy, Puglia, which is where Mr. B is from. So today we're going to make Taralli, which is a traditional unleavened savoury biscuit from the region of Puglia. I've had a look at the history of Taralli, and there are archaeological findings that show Taralli made of bronze iron back 2,600 years ago. Now, why would you find these? Well, because they used to be an offering to the god, both in Greece and in Rome, and the south of Italy is intertwined with Greek history. In both of those cultures, bread was offered to the gods. That's why you found Taralli in archaeological findings. So this is a simple recipe to put together, but like the bagel, you actually boil the Taralli before you bake them. They're beautiful biscuits and can be flavoured with just salt and pepper or red pepper. My favourite is fennel, so that's what we're going to do today. So we'll start off by mixing the salt and flour, and then we'll add the wine and olive oil. Similar to scallion pie, that's the basic dough for this mixture. We'll mix that all together. Because it's not a leavened dough, we don't need to wait for it to rise. So we'll just knead it for 10 minutes and then we will shape it, boil it, bake it. So let's get started. If you have a standing mixer, that'll take about 5, and just get it to the point where if you punch it, then it rebounds. Next, you need to start to roll it out into the Taralli shape, and so you take about a large olive size, then you roll that out and then fold it over. So on to the next stage. So next we boil the Taralli gently. We plop them into boiling water and we wait till they come to the surface, and then we take them out and put them on kitchen towel. And then once they're all done, we will put them in the oven for 40 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. That allows them to be crispy on the outside and just a little bit bouncy on the inside. See how this one's starting to rise to the surface. Use a slotted spoon, take the water out. So once your Taralli is cooked, then just leave them to cool. Mine took about 40 minutes in the oven, and what you'll have is a beautiful biscuit. And I'm gonna get Mr. B to try it because he rolled his own and I wanna give him the one that he rolled. That was the first Taralli he's ever rolled. So let's see what he thinks of his handiwork. You can see that they're kind of crispy and a little softer on the inside. This is Mr. B's Taralli. So what do you think of your handiwork?
It's an amazing Tarallo.
Why is yours a Tarallo and mine's a Taralli?
Taralli is plural. Tarallo singular. Italian lesson number 1. I love how it's crunchy on the outside. I love that taste of the fennel inside. Tastes very fresh made. Just like it's in Puglia.